Welcome, my friend. Sillbird System 12-in-1 Education Solar Robot Toys. 190 pieces, do-it-yourself, building science experiment kit for kids aged 10 and above. Solar powered by the sun. Education and challenge. This is a great way for your child to get started in robotics. After they amuse themselves with the entry level, you can challenge their manipulative skills with second level. Besides, this solar robot kit will teach children and students how to engineer a robot that uses solar power and developing problem solving and self-confidence. Do-it-yourself for children kit comes with 190 easy build pieces and accessories with detailed instructions which enable children to use their infinite imagination to build and create their own robots. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.